A decade ago, a dream was sown, a vision to empower, to educate, and to elevate future leaders in agriculture. In 2015, Achievers Aggregate Academy began with a simple goal to transform aspirants into achievers. Over the past 10 years, we have guided thousands of students to success in the aggregate exam, opening doors to prestigious agricultural colleges across the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. From first rankers to university gold medalists, our students have become pioneers, researchers, and change makers. With experienced faculty, structured materials, personal guidance, and unwavering commitment, we redefined coaching excellence. Our alumni are now shaping the future of Indian agriculture, one innovation at a time. This isn't just a milestone, it's a movement. 10 years of dedication. Here's to the next decade of excellence. Achievers Aggregate Academy, Bapatla, where every dream grows.